How to add demo student and impersonate demo student in Brightspace. Use the nav bar and go to Course Admin. Choose Class List. Let's see who we have in here. Just myself. Let's add our demo student. Go to Participants, Add Participants, Add Existing User. Then we will search by typing in demo. There's our demo student. Let's select him and select his role. This demo student will be a preview learner. Select a section, Leadership and Management. Enroll selected user. Confirmation of enrollment. Done. Now, if I want to become demo student and experience my class as the learner would, I want to impersonate him. Go to demo student, using the drop-down box, select impersonate. Yes, I am now demo student. I can now experience the class as the learner would. When I am done being demo student, I can click on demo student and X out. For additional questions, please contact Distance Learning at CNM.